Hi, today we are going to test how far DJI technology has come. In particular, we are going to test the return home function of its recent drone. We have here a DJI Lito X1 and we are going to take off from this garage and we are going to fly out and we will fly behind that tree and from there we will start the return home procedure and hopefully it's come back and land inside my garage. We are doing this just for fun. Don't try this at home. Don't risk your drones. Let me do it for you. DJI claims that this drone can take off without waiting for the GPS signal, and we are inside. We will never have GPS, so let's see. I'm going to start by recording the screen. I'm going to set the return home altitude to 20 meters because I don't want it to climb above the tree. I want it to fly around. Please make sure you have a correct return home altitude. And let's go. All right, I'm going to press the return home button and let's see what's happened. This is crazy. It made it. See you to the next video.